We will put contestants from different islands to the test, and the winners will then go on to our grand finale in New Zealand for Mr. Lava Lava title.
There's some serious prizes up for grabs, and the winner will become the face of Men's menswear range for 2014.
Our search began in the Cook Islands, and Betero took the crown and will be representing the Cook Islands in a New Zealand finale.
So, that's how it went down in the Cook Islands.
But we know you guys are greedy and you want some more. So that's where we brought you here in Samoa. Yee-hoo!
Let's see what Samoa's got for us then.
Oh, yes, please.
My name is Andrew. I am from Baimoso. I'm a single boy.
Wow.
I'm here to be a Samoan warrior.
Oh, wow.
Bunny and Bunny, your search for the Mr. Lava Lava is over, because I'm right here.
I'm from Banganga. One of my many talents, playing rugby and long walks on the beach.
Oh, what a cutie. He's cute. How old is he? 6?
My talent is, I sleep the whole day.
We got the cooking skills, we got the lady skills.
Modeling is not exposed in Samoa, so I have to look for another career.
And I can take you to Zumba Fitness.
Next.
I'm from the beautiful village of Malololei, and if you girls are here, I promise I'll show you a good time.
I've seen it all. Voila, Batman. Look at those wings. Look at those thighs and look at those Pisces. This is the best job in the world. Minute.
I'm from the village of Malii. I'm 25 years of age.
He looks like a Fanta bottle.
Bawa ko make Pacifica ko mo ko ngapi ani. Na.
Voila. He took that off in like 2 seconds, I swear.
Wow, even a
Wowzers. It means he can handle the needle. The needle of love.
And don't ask me to take off my shirt, because I don't want to make other people jealous.
Ushery.
He does look like Usher.
Does he so?
Go, get rid of the Mozzies. Get rid of them.
Yeah,
This is great. I love the hair. It's very Whoopi Goldberg. It's very Michael Jackson, and all the Jackson 5 in one. Love it. Doesn't he look like Uncle Pisaningo? He does. Oh my gosh. How's Auntie Palepa?
I'm 23. I'm single. I can dance. I can play rugby. I don't want you to miss this. Pick me, baby.
Wow! Voila!
I'm from Alamoko and Port Savai.
Ooh, hello there. Who are you? How old is this guy?
35 years old.
Well, he's 10 years older than us, but I
Love it.
guess it's fine.
That's fine. We like older men. He's
very
gorgeous.
If you pick me, I promise I'll carry you 100 meters down the field and back.
Wow, he's Superman as well. Woo! Well, I've already chosen mine, Barnes. Have you, Barnes?
Yes, I have, Barnes. Let's see who will go through.
Mr. Lover, lover, lover. Now Mr. Lover, 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 girl. Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic.
I'm Calvin Westerlin and I'm from the village of Lipea in Waitoloa. To all the ladies, I'm gonna light your fire, because I'm the fireman.
My name is Andrew. My body, that's from the Taro and the Balusambi. I'm gonna win this competition because I'm a natural Samoan.
My name is Suya Iviliamu Falelia Sewao. I am very, very proud to be a Samoan. So I'm here today to win this.
Hi, my name is Sam Walau. I'm from Malmongoko and Port Savai. I'm the oldest guy here, but I'm gonna show these boys what a real man is.
I'm Mark Sanga, and I'm from the beautiful village of Malololei. I'm gonna win this competition because I got the looks, I got the charm, I got the intelligence, the closest thing you can get to the perfect man.
My name is Vito Fangavito. The reason why I think I'm gonna win this competition, I'm the only one who got the real Samoan tag. I'm the true Samoan warrior.
My
My name is Upeng. I'm from Fort Fulele. I'm real Samoan. I will show you the muscle. This is how I'm gonna win.
I'm Betia Bui. I'm from Tolo. I'm too hot, that's why I never wear a shirt. I think I'm gonna win this competition because I got the whole package.
My name is Samuel Fipuletti. I'm from Whanalongu. One way I impress girls is by baking chocolate chip cookies with chocolate fudge, because it's all sweet inside, shows you how sweet you are.
My name is Dana Rasmussen and I'm from the village of Ma'alifa, and one thing I definitely have is finesse, and that's what I'm bringing to this competition.
Next week on The Search for Mr. Lava Lava.
We want you to create a gift for us with just your hands.
Never made a gift for a girl before.
The most creative thing I can do is probably my hair.
I think I got the best gift.
Finishing touches?
I was thinking I might be the one going home.